We just won 2 major accounts with tight launch deadlines. Our team's already at capacity. How do we hit these targets without risking delays or quality?
I hear you, but we're not operating the old way anymore. With the digital thread in place across design, planning, and production, we've gone from reacting to anticipating. Build an intelligent, sustainable digital backbone to streamline your manufacturing processes. By integrating quality and manufacturing planning early, you smooth the path from design to delivery. Smarter factories, infinite possibilities. Drive innovation and efficiency with smart manufacturing solutions for electronics.
This is exactly what we envisioned: scaling smart, staying agile, and building a manufacturing foundation for real sustainable growth.